CompTIA A plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.1. Compare and contrast TCP and UDP ports, protocols, and their purposes. Networking protocols. With this video segment, we will be kicking off our study of the second domain of the CompTIA A plus Core 1 certification exam. This domain will be all about computer networking. If you completed our Tech Plus course, you have already been introduced to many foundational networking concepts, and that baseline knowledge is expected as we move deeper into networking topics in this domain. With that said, let's jump into Domain 2, feet first. Networking in the context of IT refers to the practice of connecting two or more computing devices together by some form of transmission medium in order to share resources and information. This connection can be established over wired or wireless mediums and enables devices to communicate and transfer data efficiently. Networking forms the backbone of modern IT infrastructure, allowing for functionalities like internet access, file sharing, and collaborative work environments. Now, on to networking protocols. A network protocol is a set of rules and standards that govern the exchange of information between devices or systems. It defines how data is transmitted, received, interpreted, and acted upon during communication. Just as we follow social norms to interact with others effectively, devices on a network adhere to specific protocols to ensure seamless communication. Think of protocols as a common language that devices use to understand and interpret each other's messages. Protocols also define how devices identify one another and how errors are handled. They provide a structured framework that allows devices to communicate in a reliable and standardized manner. Without protocols, communication across networks would be chaotic and prone to errors. Can you imagine trying to have a conversation where everyone is speaking a different language? It would be confusing, inefficient, and communication would quickly break down, which is exactly what happens on a network without protocols. Lastly, we'll discuss networking ports. A network port is a virtual point where network connections start and end. Ports are identified by port numbers, with each port number indicating a specific service or protocol. For instance, HTTP, the protocol for unencrypted web traffic, typically uses port 80, while emails sent by the SMTP protocol will use port 25 by default. Understanding ports is paramount in network configuration and security, as managing these ports can control the flow of data and protect against unauthorized access. By grasping these fundamental concepts of networking, protocols, and ports, you're well on your way to building a strong foundation in IT networking. This knowledge is not only important for your CompTIA A plus Core 1 exam, but also essential for a successful career in information technology. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.